Good morning, viewers. Codeine-based cough syrups to cough ilaj kurubole nimide ekta prescription medication ase. Codeine do opioid dawai ase kuntu cough syrups te istemal kure aro itu do moderate aro severe coughs thaga samai. First line of treatment ba respond nakurile codeine-based cough syrups istemal kure. Will be codeine-based cough syrup laga narcotic effects ba misuse or addiction laga khatra bhari jai. Codeine do opioid family laga member ekta ase aro itu do morphine aro alak pain relievers bana laga same class of drugs ase. Codeine do brain laga cough control center de act kurigina cough trigger kura reflex suppress kure. Codeine do mild pain reliever nimide bhi istemal kure. Cough syrups te codeine do cough severity comti kurubole nimide guaifenesin aro antihistamines nishna alak agents combine kure. Codeine de narcotic properties pi ase jo nimide distribution to regulate kura aro prescription thakile hi pai. Manu respiratory infection bra severe cough ula samai alak ilaj kan fail hua homoy codeine based cough syrups istemal kure. Itukla nohigena palliative nahoile bi chronic conditions taga samai under strict supervision istemal kure. Codeine syrup laga dosage to patient laga sal weight aro overall health upor de depend kure. Adults can nimide cough suppress kurubole every 4 to 6 hours de 10 to 20 mg orally day aro 24 hours pitor de 120 mg exit nakure. Cough ekla kura de codeine do 12 sal laga niche bacha khan ge recommend nakure kintu dawai bra bacha khan ke serious breathing problems elevate kurubole laga khatra ase. Codeine bra drowsiness aro coordination impair kura nimide patients can get heavy machinery operate nohile drive kura advice nakure. Codeine-based cough syrups istemal kura de common side effects are risk can be thage dukhando drowsiness and sedation, constipation, nausea and vomiting, dizziness nohole be confusion or dry mouth ase. Codeine-based cough syrups misuse nohole be higher doses loabra sas loa slow down kuride aro jan nimide bi khatra ho jay. Codeine laga opioid nature bra dependence aro addiction ula bole khatra thake aro bishi deriba istemal kurina ahade achanak bra charile withdrawal symptoms piolai. Hichakani mani for more news and updates keep watching Global Window and have a good day.
Boss. Boss. Boss.